Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna show you how to install Samsung Voice Recorder on your tablets, Galaxy Tab S3 and Galaxy Tab S2. Now, now after this software update, there is no feature of that. I'm gonna show you how to install it. But you can install Upton from the Google Play Store, or you can install it from the internet. So now you can choose the newest version. It comes with the Android Pie. But if you have the Galaxy Tab S2, you can click next and install the oldest version from 2017. You click next again. You click one more time next. Then you click September 5, 2017. If it doesn't work, let me in the comments. Now I'm gonna install the newest version. So this is the update version. They support the Reliance even support QoS tablet. Now to complete my tablet Android Pie, now the website you're gonna go different for the IBK mirror. You're gonna go to the website and then you open and then install. Now it's done installed. Okay, now before you open it, you go to settings. Now you're gonna allow all permissions. Now the storage it's allowed when the voice saves, and the phone it will if the service uh, if the service check if I have a tablet or a phone, and our microphone is a microphone microphone for the voice recorder. There is no interview because on the Samsung tablets it didn't have any because it's tablet. Now you can check testing if it's tablet. Now let me now guys you need to test the microphone complete with it. I'm record the video. You can test it yourself. Now, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Mm, if you have any, now please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, let me in the comments. Bye.